Alright you guys, this is part 2 of this video over here, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan of how to actually visualize. If you haven't seen the first part of the video, go watch it over here and come back. Alright, in order to visualize and actually get results, this is what you should do. Step 1. Pick one small thing that you want to achieve. The more detailed, the better, and stick to this. You don't want to be visualizing something different every day. You want to pick one particular target. Step 2. Find 15 to 20 minutes a day and commit to it. You have to make visualization a habit if you want to really achieve your goals. And you have to do it every day, like brushing your teeth and showering every day. Hopefully you do these things every day. It doesn't really work if you just do it sometimes. You have to do it every day. Step 3. Visualize yourself putting in the effort, not just achieving success. This means, for example, if you are visualizing physical success, visualize yourself in the process of working out physically, not just the outcome. So in my case, I visualize myself exercising and strengthening my core muscles. And sometimes, this sounds crazy, but sometimes even though I wasn't moving and I was just sitting in my room, I got cramps in my calves. That's how vivid it was. Step 4. Visualize with your 5 senses. So visualization is usually done just by the visuals. That's why it's called visualization. But in order to make this experience more vivid and realistic, you should incorporate your 5 senses. That's sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. For example, I did mental rehearsals with music, and I also imagined the very cold air of Berlin when I landed there. I also imagined the weight, the heaviness of the gold medal around my neck when I received it. This made it a realistic experience for me, as if I'm living in that moment in reality. Step 5. Think about potential challenges you might face, like responding to failure or dealing with disapproval. In my case, I visualize worst-case scenarios like my costume getting lost at the airport transit, or the music suddenly stopping when I'm performing, or just like having a very slippery floor on stage. By the way, all of these things happen. But I knew what to do in these situations when they happened in reality because I had imagined myself already going through a very similar situation in my head. Step 6. Create an if-then plan to overcome these challenges. If this happens, then I will, blah blah blah. It's important to visualize yourself facing these obstacles, but then come up with strategies of how you would react. And by overcoming these challenges, you are teaching your brain that you're able to confront these obstacles. This creates a successful experience, as we say in Japanese, 成功体験を積む. And this makes you feel successful and like a winner. Alright you guys, these are the keys to making visualization work so that you can be successful and achieve your goals. This strategy has helped me accomplish so many things in my life so far, and I'm sure you can also achieve your goals and dreams too, as long as you're able to commit to this routine. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you like this video, check out my other video here where I talk about time management, because this is also a related topic that will help you achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!